Hello everybody, this is Hack Insider, and I will be showing you today how to install the Electra Beta 10 jailbreak. First, you're going to need to head into your browser. It doesn't matter whether it's Safari or Chrome, whatever. You're going to want to install Cydia Impactor. So whether you have a Mac or Windows or you're on Linux, you're going to need to select the one that you're on and then download that. So you're just going to click it, and then it'll pop up in your downloads, and you are going to want to download it and install it as an app so that it shows up in your launcher right there. Once you have that, you're going to need to head over to a link that I have in the description for the Electra Jailbreak. You're going to need to click this download button. You'll get the IPA up in the download sections up here, and then you will go into Cydia Impactor, which you can access through your Launchpad or through your files, and you will open it, and once you're in, you will have to plug in your phone, and the way that you'll know your phone is in is when it shows this iPhone up here. Then you need to take the IPA from here, and you need, which is right there, and you're going to have to drag it from here up into there. Then it'll pop up with your iTunes email login. So you're going to need to have your iTunes, and you're going to need to plug in the email that you use for iTunes. And my suggestion is to go into, we're having technical difficulties. You're going to need to go into your Apple ID and type in your Apple ID and your password. Once you're in there, you're going to want to go down to where it says security, and then you're going to find generate app specific code. Once you do that, type in whatever app you want to. You can say whatever you want, really, but I said Cydia Impactor, and then after that, it will give you a code, and this is going to have 4 dashes in that code. So you're going to need to type in every single thing you see, including the dashes. So once you enter your email into here, you're going to be prompted with the code that you're going to need to enter. And you'll enter that generated code that you were given, not your Apple ID password. Once that happens, it'll go through the loading process down there, and it will be installed on your device. I would also suggest installing Filza Jailed, which I have a link in the description to this website where you can install it from. You're going to just need to click here where it says here, and it will download and install up here. This is the Filza Jailed IPA. Once again, you'll go into Cydia Impactor and do the same thing. Just drag it there, boom. It's going to pop up with your Apple ID, and then you're going to have to input it in order to install the Filza Jailed. That's going to allow you to modify things and install packages that you're going to want to use in order to, take advantage of the Electra Jailbreak until Cydia is on it, at least. That's all for today. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you need any help. My contact information will be in the description. Thank you.